Standard part of the betting area is going to be here. Okay, this is 0 and 00, they're green. So you think there's only 36 numbers here, but there's really 38 because of the two of them. Some places now have 000, and there's also a single zero game. All of these are called inside numbers. If you have a table minimum, maximum, let's just go with the minimum of $10. That means you need a total of $10 in action on the table. And that can mean any combination that you want, in any way you want it. But you need a total of $10 or more for it to be a legitimate bet. Otherwise, the dealer might call no action on it and push it off back to you. Okay. These are called columns. There's 3 of them. This column is all of these numbers here. This one is all of these and all of these. It does not include 0 and 00. The first 12, we have them color coordinated to make it easier for you, is going to be this section right here, this section, this section. Again, 0, 00, not included. So we're going to start with the columns. This column are all of these numbers here. This goes here, this goes here. They pay 2 to 1. Outside numbers, you have 1 to 18, meaning 1 to 18, and then 19 to 36. Okay, that pays even money. Even or odd, even number, odd number. Believe it or not, 0, 00 is not even. It loses on there. Red or black, it's the color that's inside, loses on a 0, 00. So all of these first, second, thirds, we have 1 to 12, 13 to 24, 25 to 36. Those pay 2 to 1. So columns pay 2 to 1. First, second, and third sections pay 2 to 1. And these out here pay even money. Okay, so we're going to go through L2D, which is just short for Logistical Layout Designs, training graphics, okay? So what we've done is we've tried to make it easy for players to learn as you play, okay? And also be able to verify your payouts are correct. So when we look at a section like this, these are all the different types of bets. It'll tell you what the bet is called. The circle is where you would place your chip. So for example, we have right here would be called the basket. It's 0, 002. If you place your chip here, it's called the top line, 0, 00, 1, 2, 3. If you place it here, it's called a street. That would be 4, 5, 6, and you can do that on any of these. Okay. If you put it between what looks like a street, we call that a double street. Some places call it a line. Now it's 6 different numbers. Then of course you have what's called a straight up bet. If you just put it straight in the middle of a section, that pays 35 to 1. If you put it on a corner, which means if 5, 6, 8, or 9 hit, you get 8 to 1. If you put it between 2 numbers, you have 2 numbers in play, that pays 17 to 1. Okay, so that's called a split. Here we have basically 1 through 10, straight up splits and corners, and what they would pay depending on how many chips you have on there.